Good morning, children. Yeah, today again we come back to the class, second class today, seventh class English. Yes, open your textbooks, We'll continue with the lesson which we have started in the first day, seventh class English, Okay. I'm very happy that you all posted your homeworks, and we will just continue the lesson, In the previous class, I told you all about what I told you all, the difference between the country and a town. Here, the characters here are given as the town mouse and the country mouse. So, I told you all what is what and what do you experience in the town area and the countryside. Country means here and say, it's a village. It's a village, Here, what happened here? There was a letter received by whom? By the country mouse. From whom? From the town mouse. What did the letter contain? The letter contained that the town mouse was not well. He had a cough. And his doctor asked him to spend a week in the countryside. So what do you mean by countryside, In the village area. Why? Because it is not polluted. It is all clean and fresh. So this is what happens. And the town mouse gets a reply from the country mouse stating that you are welcome. At once he packs his belongings or whatever is wanted for his journey to spend a week in the country. The town mouse happily catches the train and starts his journey towards the countryside. Here, the town mouse, he experiences a little bit difficulties. Why? Because the train, what was going towards the countryside was not air conditioned. It was not air conditioned. The climate was hot and sunny. And moreover, the town mouse never travelled in an ordinary compartment before. This was the first time that he is travelling in an ordinary compartment. Ordinary compartment means, which has no AC, Has no AC. So the train started towards the journey, via the countryside, And who was waiting at the platform was the country mouse. Why was he waiting there? He was waiting there to receive his cousin. As I had told you earlier, the country mouse and the town mouse are cousins. Cousins itself means, you can say uncle or aunt children. Means your cousins. Their children are your cousins to you all. Okay? So this is what I have told you all in the previous class. So now we let's continue with the lesson. I think better take out page number 3. Page number 3, your English textbooks, and much better to see a pencil in your hand. Compulsory you have to have a pencil while going through my class. Okay, my students? So we are seeing what I know what okay. Here. So who was waiting there? The country mouse was waiting at the station. Who was waiting, The country mouse was waiting at the station. Why was he waiting there? He was waiting there to receive his cousin. Who was his cousin? The town mouse. Town mouse was his cousin. Oh cousin, here, see the explanation of joy. Oh cousin, the town mouse said, as soon as he got off the train, soon as the train stopped, came to a halt. Halt means stop, The train was dreadful, it was totally fearful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. Yes, because the train was not air conditioned. It was an ordinary coach. He said, I am feeling very hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. He said, I suppose that you have something cold for me at your house for me to drink. Well, I have some water. Replies whom? The country mouse replies. What is it now? Yes. Well, I have water, but it's not cold. Said the country mouse. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. So he said, yes, cousin, you asked me for cold water. I don't think so, but I have water. I have water in my house. If you want, I can get you some coconut water. If you like that too. If you like it. Coconut water, asked the town mouse in horror. He was surprised. So at once he said, so what do you want me to drink? Coconut water. Whereas I asked you for cold water. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? So he asked, see, I don't want coconut water. I want some orange juice or lemon juice. Okay. Here replies the country mouse, I am afraid not, explained his cousin. Cousin means in sense the country mouse. But I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugarcane. So he said, I am okay. I am very nice. I am okay. I found. I am very lucky. You are lucky, not in sense me. I am lucky. I found a nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugarcane, a tender bit of sugarcane. I am sure you will enjoy that. So what did the town mouse ask for? First of all, the town mouse asked for cold water drink. Secondly, what he asked for? He asked for orange juice or lemonade. Lemonade means okay, lemon juice. Whereas the country mouse, he said blankly that he doesn't have it. What does he have? He has only a water, ordinary water. And second thing is, he said, no, if you want, I can get you coconut water. Third thing what he said is, I found a root, a very nice root, and a tender piece of sugarcane. He said, I am sure you will enjoy it. You will enjoy that. Okay, ma? Root, sugarcane. The town mouse exclaimed. He was surprised. At once he said, what do you want me to eat? Roots, sugarcanes? But I don't eat raw food like that. So the town mouse, his eating habits was totally different than that of the country mouse. He said, no, root sugarcane. The town mouse exclaimed. He was surprised. He was horror. He said, but I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said. Here the reply comes from the country mouse. This is what we eat in the country. Okay, this is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. So the country mouse at once replied. At once he gave a quick answer. He said, no, see, I don't eat foods like that. What we get in the country are only roots and raw food items. So whatever I can get here, I can give you, I can supply you. I hope you enjoy it. This is what we get here. Okay, this is what we get. Where here means in sense the countryside. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. So he said, no, it's not so good, it's not so bad. Who explained now? The country mouse told the town mouse. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner. What do you mean by dinner, ma? Dinner means the food taken at night, ma. Taken at the night time. You can say the night meal. The other word we can say, even dinner we can call it as supper also, ma. Called as supper. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. So that night, the town mouse, he had his dinner, but not with much excitement and enjoyment. He nibbled at the root and the sugarcane and then said he wanted to sleep. So yes, he ate the root. Why? Because he was hungry. With hunger, he ate the root. What do you mean say nibble? He only just tasted little bit he ate it. Okay, he did not eat it with satisfaction. Just to forsake his hunger. He ate, what did he eat? He ate the root and the sugarcane. Little bit he ate, and then went to sleep. Why? Because he was tired. He was tired of the journey. Why? First of all, you can say he was not comfortable in the train. Why? It was very hot also. So because he was tired, he went to sleep. Okay. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, so in the house, whose house now? The country mouse house. The country mouse showed a corner. You know corner, no? In the room we have four corners. So in one of the corners he showed the town mouse. You can go there and sleep. So see it again, ma. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, because a mouse and rats, where do they live? They live in holes. See, everything also they have places to live. So a mouse and a rat lives in a hole. He said, in the hole, in the corner of the hole, in the hole, he showed a corner and he said that you can go there and sleep. There you are. You can sleep there. He said, that's your place. You can go there and sleep. Who said no? The country mouse said. To whom? The country mouse told the town mouse to sleep. On the ground, asked the country mouse, again the country mouse was shocked. Sleeping on the ground, sleeping on the ground. I came from so far not to sleep on the ground here and eat roots and sugarcane. Do I have to sleep on the ground? So again he asked, do I have to sleep on the ground? Is there not any cot available? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country. His cousin answered. He said, yes, this is how we sleep. This is how they sleep in the countryside. In the countryside, they sleep on the ground. They sleep on the ground. So, okay, ma? This is what he said. This is how we sleep in the country. His cousin replied, yes, in the countryside, we don't sleep on cots. We sleep on the ground. We sleep on the floor. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. So, the moment the town mouse was about to sleep, he at once he called out. What he called out? He said, and how was the room? How was the hole, the rat's hole? It was what? No, it was described as lay down on the hard. The ground was hard. The ground was cold. How was the ground, ma? The ground was very hard and it was cold. He suddenly thought of something. What did he think of? Yeah, something. It came in his mind. So he thought of something. Cousin, he called out. So at once he said, cousin. Who called out? The town mouse called whom? Called the country mouse. Yes. What is it? The country mouse asked. At once the country mouse answered. He asked him, okay, what do you want? What is the matter? Why is it so quiet here? He said, yes. Actually, second thing, night times there, na, the countryside, all be silent. All be silent. Why? Because there's no traffic. There's no traffic. So he said, why is it so quiet here? Who asked now? The town mouse asked the country mouse. Why is this place so silent? Where are all the cars and lorries? So commonly in the towns and cities, we find a lot of traffic. We find a lot of traffic with the sounds, with the horns blowing. Okay. So he said, why is this area so silent? Where are the cars and lorries? Where are the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and televisions? So in the countryside, okay, after some certain timings, all be shut off because people in that area go to sleep early and rise early. Then he asked, where are the radios and televisions? Where are all the lights? He asked, see, where are the lights here? There's no lights here. Totally, the area has gone dark. Area has gone dark. There's no sound. Okay, there's no sound of the cars and lorries. There's no volume of the radios and the televisions. What is this here? He asked. This is how it is in the country. His cousin replied. So, what did the cousin reply? In the country area, this is how it happens. So, during the nights, there will not be any traffic, no any sounds of disturbance. You can sleep soundly, he said. It is always quiet in our country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. He said, here in the countryside, it is very quiet. It's very quiet. It's very calm, you can say mainly. It's very calm. Sometimes it is much calmer and much quieter, he said. Who said no? The country mouse told the town mouse. So students, what this paragraph, what we understand is, see, you can say 2-3 lines. The town mouse was surprised. He asked, why is it hard? The ground is hard and cold. So here we can understand that the town mouse, okay, he slept on a cot. He slept on a cot, not on the floor. So this is the opposite here. Then he asked, where are the lorries and cars and lorries? So here what we understand is, in the town side, there are many cars and lorries running on the roads. They are always busy on the roads. Again he asked, where are the radios and televisions? So we can make out here that in the town side, the radios and televisions will be playing till late nights. That's why he had doubts. Again he asked, where are all the lights? So here we can understand that the town side has lights throughout the night. Okay, throughout the night. So we can just go reverse, opposite to what he said. Okay. So here what we learned today is the town is noisy. The town is noisy, okay, dusty, and the nights are bright because of the lights. But coming to the countryside, it is quiet. Okay, it is not noisy. It is okay. It is all calm during the nights. This is what we understood today, in this topic. So, okay, students, I think I'll continue the class, the next class, for all of you to enjoy it. So today your work is write meanings 2 times. What ma? Write the meanings twice. Okay ma? What's your to your homework today is write the meanings twice. Students, I hope you all are enjoying the class ma. But one thing I'll ask you all is write your homeworks neatly ma and write it in your HW books. Okay, write in HW books. While writing your homeworks, make sure that you mention the name and write the date ma. Make sure you mention the name and the date confirmly. So and even the day 1 or day 2, whatever it is the homework is, and post your homeworks without fail ma. Okay, as soon as possible. Bye ma students, take care. Hope you enjoy the class.